What's up, guys? Had this little 03 Escape come in today with a misfire on cylinder number 4. Of course, being as it's a Ford, went ahead and slapped a coil and a plug in it, didn't fix it. Got to noticing I could wiggle the connector and it clear up. So just after stripping the harness back here, you can see what happened. Just thought I'd capture this and let y'all see. Sometimes it can be a wiring issue, and it's a good idea to further dig in before you just throw parts at it. So that's how my day's going. Listen to wire me up this new little pigtail here, and should have these folks back on the road. So anyways, y'all have a good day. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, all that good jazz. Anyways.